God makes his people strong. God gives his people peace. Psalm 29:11. Yes guys, guess who is ready for another makeup tutorial? Me and you. You're ready to watch and I'm ready to show you guys what's up. So first thing first off, I'm gonna take my makeup magnesia to just prime my face, and I'm priming basically my nose area because that's where I get most oily. And I'm taking my FBH concealer to just prime my eyelids and get them ready for my eyeshadow. Blend, 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 blend. And I'm taking my Benite Topaz translucent setting powder to just set that concealer to get them ready for my eyeshadow as well. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Coastal Scent eyeshadow and taking that shade and just blending it in my crease. Blend, blend, blend. This is basically going to be my transition shade. And I'm taking that purple, putting it in my lower crease to just give it some, you know, good gradient effect. Next, I'm going in with this black shade from the same Coastal Scent eyeshadow palette, and I'm putting it at my lid area, the ending part of my lid area, and just blend that out with that same brush I used earlier on to apply the pink shade first. I'm gonna wet my brush with my setting spray just to allow the eyeshadow on my lid to pop more, which is the peach, to pop more. I'm gonna go in with a random eyeliner to just draw me on some wings. I'm just gonna dust off the excess from my makeup magnesia, and I'm going in with my foundation, and this is the Black Opaque stick foundation in the shade Nutmeg. And I'm going in with a damp beauty sponge to just blend that out. Blend, blend, blend. Like you want to blend your makeup, guys. You really want to take your time to blend your makeup. I'm going in with my Elegant Pro concealer in the shade Medium Beige to just highlight underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid bow, my chin, and my forehead. And I'm going in with that damn beauty sponge that I used earlier on to just blend that out. So to set everywhere that I highlighted, I'm gonna use my Topaz, my same setting powder, my Benite Topaz powder, to just set everywhere. I'm basically setting everywhere that I highlighted, mind you. I'm taking my Tara powder palette, and I'm just gonna use that two darkest shades to contour my nose and contour my face as well. I'm going in with my Ocean's Eye black eye pencil to just, you know, line underneath my eyes. And I'm going in with the pencil I used earlier on to draw my brows to just line my lip, and I'm overlining my lip. I am obsessed with overlining my lip, guys. Like, so obsessed with it, especially when I'm doing nude lips. And I'm going with one of my favorite nude lipstick from Miss Rose and just apply that to create a good nude ombre effect. Next, I'm going to go into my Any Lady 3D highlight, and I'm taking the shade Champagne and Rose Gold to just highlight my face. Basically, I'm highlighting the high points of my face, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin. And I'm gonna put that in my tear dot to just make my eye look more awake. I'm going in with my Avon compact powder in the shade Fern to just blend all this makeup together. You don't want to be seeing different lines and dimension, so you have to blend. I'm going in with my Kiss Beauty setting spray and just, you know, drain my face in this setting spray. And yes, this is it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on my social media platform. They're gonna be down in the description bar. I love you all more, but God loves you most. Bye.